Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chylissa B Chanté, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here, thanks so much for coming back and just being a part of this family. Be sure to make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell to secure the deal. I'm going to bring to you something fun today, another hair video. And it is this hair here that I have in. So if you want to see why I think this hair is the best hair for, well, the best frontal for beginners, keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this hair is so cute. It's so full of life, so full of body. And it is a body wave. That's why it is so full of body. And my edges, like, can we just talk about how my edges look so real and so natural? This hair takes the curl so very well. All I've been doing lately is just spinning it, and that's it. It's just been taking a curl. So this hair was sent to me by Klaiyi hair, and I got 4 bundles. This is my last bundle that I didn't put into the wig, and a frontal 18 inches 100% human hair from Klaiyi hair. This hair is bomb. Like, when I tell you this is like very thick. This is very thick. I got my hair unit made by Units by Jackie. So I had the wig made by Units by Jackie. Then I went to Dior in Brooklyn. Jessie Wu gets her hair done by her. Her name is Kathleen, and she just slayed me down. So I don't want to bring you guys a normal video with saying like, oh my god, I love this hair, they sent it to me, buy it, because I've been sent hair before and I just didn't review it. So this hair was actually one that I really liked, and I got the installation done 2 weeks ago. And that says a lot for me, because I would leave it in for like maybe 3 days, 4 days, and take it out because I just don't have the patience. This hair is so soft. When I tell you it's so soft, I haven't got tangles like, unless I'm like flipping and flapping and just doing the most, I don't get tangles like that at all in this hair. And like I said, I just finger curled this right here, and it takes the curl like no other. So this hair is really bomb, but I could tell you like till I'm blue in the face to buy this and get it. But what I really wanted to stress, and something I thought that would be cool, would be like why beginners should buy it. I am not like, I'm foreign to frontals. This is only my second frontal that I've ever gotten, and this one I actually got glued down. So what I did was I had the wig made, and then I got the hair. So I got my hair braided, and then I have a wig cap on under this, and the hair is actually sewn to a dome cap. And then I got my hair, then I put the wig on, and then she asked me, she said, do you want to glue it down, because I know you're probably going to want to wear it for a while. And a while for me is probably like 2 weeks, and that's what we did. I can't go more than that. I won't go more than that, and I shouldn't, because I just can't, like, I just can't. And this is a lot for me because I actually prefer to do sew-ins, but I thought, let me try the wig game. You know, you only live once. And I love it. I love this frontal. I love how like versatile it is. Like, the scalp is so real. Like, it's unbelievable. And it's zero, like, not zero maintenance, but zero maintenance. Like, I've had to do nothing but wake up every day. And if the glue does rise up, so you get like not zero maintenance, I'm just being dramatic, but like if it does start rising up, which I had some issues with rising up on the side, I have the Gots to Be Free spray. I just spray that, hold it with a rat tail comb, or one of my combs. This is like my new comb that I just got, and I just hold it there so that way I don't get like any flakes or anything, and then just keep going about it just like that. It's been so easy, so simple. Like I said, hardly any maintenance on the hair, and it just feels so good, and it's secure. Like, this is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. And I've combed it like 1,000 times because I'm obsessed with combing it and just putting my hands through it. And the fact that like I get this like realistic hairline going on here. Like, can we just see this? Can we just see this? Like, hairline, hello, looking natural, looking good. I enjoy it. The only thing I would do differently is, again, I would get it sewn in, and I wouldn't have a wig made because I need to feel my scalp. That's the only thing that bothers me. But this is perfect hair for you to do half up, half down. You have enough space with this closure to go to do that and get a good style in. I don't really recommend that. I don't really think it looks so natural. Some people make it work, you know, but for me, I rather just keep it like this. And the fact that I can just like flip it from side to side is really beneficial because you have that like natural looking hair, like hello New York. So I think that this is great hair for beginners, and you could even get away with doing the braids in the middle here and then putting it up like that. I'm telling you guys, you have so many options with this hair. I highly recommend you to try, if you're a beginner, Klaiyi hair for beginners and get you a frontal. I'm not sure if they have closures, but I think I want to go into the closure route because granted, this is minimal, like no work for beginners unless your edges are pulling up on the side. You literally don't have to worry about flat ironing a million times and doing things like that. You just keep your side, make sure your sides are down and tacked so that where you're good going out. And then I just, during the day, will just finger curl it. Boop, that's done. And we're back. Like nothing. It's like so simple, guys. This is a frontal, a universal frontal for all beginners. And it fits nice. It looks nice. Like I can't stress to you how soft the hair is, and I think that that's another thing that plays into why this is the great hair for beginners, because when you get hair that's like easily tangled, easily matted, you're gonna be like, oh my god, this is too much work and you can't deal. Like for me, this is like so easy, like so easy. I literally have to do nothing and I'm just going about my day, and that's why I think that it'll give you that confidence to like be able to go into other things. And then as you're learning, like you can take like, so my baby hairs are glued down with the Got2b, but if I wanted to, I could take a comb, like a rat tail comb, and then like comb them down. I would just clear them so there's no flakes on it, and then I would redo it. And what I would recommend is not doing it, putting your hair down with Got2b, but putting it down with Eco Styler, because the Eco Styler will make it a lot more, like these hairs here are all free to move, and that's what gives it that natural, realistic look. When you put it down and it's just the lace, then it's a little bit like, not just the lace, it's just the glue, then it's like, okay, hello, I can see that it's not moving and it's not going anywhere. But when you allow it to do that, you give yourself so much more versatility. And I think that this is the perfect hair for beginners. Like, I can't stress it anymore. And I thank Klaiyi so much for even sending me the hair. I love it. I've seen another girl do a video on their hair and her hair was straight, and she did a closure. She had a 6x6 closure. So I think they do for sure. I take back that last statement. They do make closures, because she had a 6x6 closure and she made it look like a frontal, which would be great too, because then you don't have to worry about like your sides coming up. And for me, if you're somebody who likes to be able to like put her all the way up, look at that. You literally can put it all the way up. But for me, I'm not really so much worried about that. I just want to be able to have maintenance-free hair that I can go about my business, live my life, and keep it moving, and not have to worry about waking up extra early. It lays super duper flat, and the flatness of how your hair lays also has to do with how your braiding technique is, and she braided it so good. And that, I think, will just make for a perfect remedy for awesome hair. Like, I could literally go longer if I wanted to with this hair, but, you know, we'll see what happens. But I really, really recommend you guys to try this hair out. It is easy to maintain. You got that realistic hairline. Like, look at this. Hello. Like, what lace? Truly, what lace? Realistic hairline, and you're just looking good. You're feeling good. I want to see like some of you guys try the braiding out down the middle. That would be so cute. So if you guys really like this video, I have nothing more to say except for go try Klaiyi's hair. Like, if this hair wasn't good, no matter what, the fact that it's sponsored, they sent me the hair, I would tell you guys. And I really like it. Like, there is hair that I've gotten, and I'm really into curly hair, so this is like my first time actually putting in straight hair and working that out. If it wasn't any good, I would 1000% tell you guys, like, no, they tried it, but it's really good, and I really recommend beginners. Even if you're above and beyond, then you're gonna like it. Like, melts to the scalp and looks perfect. For me, I love to see videos. Oh, my lashes. For For me, I just love to see videos where people are giving their honest opinion, because when you can't actually feel and touch the hair yourself, if other people can tell you their experience, that's really helpful. So I hope this was really helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you think the hair looks good, if you would go and get this hair, and maybe even other brands that you've tried that you feel like the maintenance for the frontal is so easy. Just let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yo, look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise, right atop my cranium, stress weight the body like uranium, what's the verbatim, everyday like deja vu, only fear is I start to get comfortable, not wanna be typical, climb my way to the pinnacle, while I'm alive in my physical, yo, and money soon.